The 2025 Ram 2500 is here, and it's ready to dominate the heavy-duty truck segment with a perfect blend of power, capability, and technology. Ram has taken its already impressive 2500 model and made it even better, catering to those who demand serious towing, hauling, and off-road capability without sacrificing comfort and innovation. Whether you need a workhorse for the job site or a powerful daily driver, the new Ram 2500 delivers on all fronts. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram 2500 offers multiple engine options, ensuring there's a configuration for every type of truck owner. The standard 6.4-liter Hemi V8 remains a powerhouse, delivering 410 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and improved fuel efficiency. But for those who need even more muscle, Ram continues to offer the legendary 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel inline-six. Producing up to 370 horsepower and a staggering 850 pound-feet of torque, this diesel engine is a towing champion, capable of handling even the heaviest loads with ease. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, the Cummins-powered Ram 2500 provides immense low-end torque and long-haul reliability. Towing and payload capabilities are where the Ram 2500 truly shines. With the right configuration, it boasts a maximum towing capacity of over 20,000 pounds, making it an ideal choice for hauling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment. Payload capacity is equally impressive, ensuring you can load up the truck bed without worry. The available trailer reverse steering control system makes backing up with a trailer easier than ever, and Ram's advanced tow mirrors provide excellent visibility for maneuvering in tight spaces. On the exterior, the 2025 Ram 2500 retains its bold and aggressive design, with a massive front grille, LED lighting, and muscular body lines. Ram offers multiple trim levels, including the rugged Power Wagon, which is designed for off-road enthusiasts. The Power Wagon features a factory-installed lift, locking differentials, an integrated winch, and off-road tuned suspension, making it a beast on challenging terrain. Other trims, such as the Laramie Unlimited, focus on luxury and refinement, with chrome accents, premium materials, and advanced technology. Step inside the cabin, and you'll immediately notice Ram's commitment to comfort and technology. The 2025 model features an upgraded interior with high-quality materials, available leather upholstery, and real wood trim on higher trims. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the massive 12-inch or optional 14.5-inch touchscreen running the latest Uconnect infotainment system. This system offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and a premium audio system for an immersive experience. Digital displays replace traditional gauges, providing a customizable and modern driving interface. Safety and driver assistance features have been upgraded as well, making the Ram 2500 one of the most secure heavy-duty trucks on the market. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system provide added confidence on the road. The truck's frame and body structure have been reinforced for improved crash protection, ensuring peace of mind whether you're towing a trailer or driving with family. Ram has also introduced new technology to enhance the driving experience. The 2025 model includes an available hands-free driving assist system for highway cruising, making long trips more comfortable and less fatiguing. Additionally, an advanced head-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, keeping the driver focused on the road. The 2025 Ram 2500 is a true powerhouse that blends brute strength with modern luxury and technology. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, conquering off-road trails, or simply enjoying the daily drive, this truck has something for everyone. With a range of trims, engine options, and cutting-edge features, Ram continues to set the standard in the heavy-duty truck market. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Ram 2500 and if this is the truck you'd want in your garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews here on Auto Review.